Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to watch YouTube TV in Apple Carplay. YouTube TV is not officially supported on Apple Carplay, but you